We're down here sitting at the talk show table. If you don't follow that channel, it'll be linked. But I had the great opportunity to showcase a product that I kind of was interested in and wanted to try from a company called AgriEyes. So I'm gonna whip these babies out for you and show you. So what I wanted to try and what I was interested in is these beacon lights. These are the W16P item number. Check them out in the shop. But on my 2000 Aggie, I have beacon lights, big beacon lights, and they're cool and all. But why not get the newer style that are smaller and better? Plug just right in to the adapter. Comes with that, the bolt, wing nut, and lock washer to install it. And we got 2 of them. And we're gonna give it a go. I was reading on the box, it says there's 7 modes of flashes. There's 4 modes rotation and 3 modes flash. Let's go take a look. Here we got the factory beacon lights on the Aggie. I mean, they're pretty bright. The original one's off and the AgriEyes on. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's bright. That's really bright. Shut them off, turn them back on. Puts it on a different mode. This is what they look like in the rotation mode. You can either have them rotating really slow, like this, or you can have them rotating fast, like this. So if you don't like the style of the original beacon lights on the older equipment, and you want the newer style with 7 different options of flash, check out AgriEyes right now. They're affordable. I think that was like 60 bucks for both of them. You can't even get that anywhere else. You want to put them on your tractor, combine, sprayer. If you got a pickup that's got a beacon light, all you have to do is install them, turn the beacon on, and it engages one flashing mode, turn it off, turn it back on, switches it to a different mode. And you do that till it goes all the way through all the modes, and then it resets.